How's it going, everybody? Zeke here from Zeke Fishing Pro, and welcome to my first ever trout catch and cook. Just caught this guy about 5 minutes ago. I bonged him. He's on a stringer right now. We're gonna take him home, fillet him up, and we might smoke him too. So stay tuned, everybody. Alright guys, we're back at the house, and this trout has been dead for some time. I have a little quick measuring tape to see how long he is. Stretch, little buddy. So he's about 9 3/4 inches. So I just got a simple steak knife. We're gonna start filleting this guy. I'm not gonna fillet him, like just get the sides off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna work up from the butthole. We're gonna cut in there. Really should have a sharper knife than this, but this is all I got. Just make an incision right here. Yeah, I really should have a sharper knife. I need a sharper knife to actually do this. Actually, it's working. Just got tough skin. Okay. We're gonna go all the way to there. Right there. I am very curious. We are going to see what is in this guy's stomach, which is right here. I'm gonna cut it off here. Make a little incision. Okay. Actually, you know what? What we're gonna do instead is, now that I've cut all the way through there, what you do is you take your knife and you cut from the back of the head. Man, this knife is not sharp enough. Go down here, right there, and then you take. Actually, I'm gonna go further. Go down to there. Take this. Just rip it. All the guts all out, and then you're just left. With that is you poke your knife, run it all the way down, then you take your thumb and you push the kidney out just like that. Run your finger and it all will come out. Push again if you miss spots. Pushing if you missed some. And eventually trout. I'm gonna go clean this up, but first let's see what's in this guy's stomach. Let me just cut here, and then we'll just push it out. What do we got in here? Oh, okay, here we go. What do we got? It looks like bits of a bug. Let's keep pushing it out. Oh, there's something hard in here. Oh, what is that? Okay, we got a little snail. It's kind of hard for you guys to see it. Okay, there's a lot. I think these are all snails. Yeah. All bits and pieces of a snail. We got a seafood trout here. yeah, that's everything in his stomach. That's all his poop. He could have pooped on me if he really wanted to. Anyway, that is our trout head trophy. Not really, this is all gonna go in the garbage. But anyway, that's all the guts and stuff. I'm gonna go clean up this prize meat. And then my dad wants to smoke it. So I'm gonna go wash this off, wash my hands off. And I'll catch you guys when I put it on the smoker. Alright, beautiful, clean trout meat. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys inside and we're gonna season this guy up. So we are gonna make a brine for this trout, which is basically a marinade sauce with just salt and brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of each in a bowl of 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna add the salt first. That's it, 1, right?
Recipe called for 1 tablespoon each.
Say to stir, or just let it stir with this. And we're just gonna let this trout sit for about 15-20 minutes. Let the salt and the brown sugar do its job. We're gonna put that trout inside. It's kind of stiff. Let that sit for 15-20 minutes. Alright, so the trout is done marinating, and we're just having pulled pork tonight, so don't mind that. But just got the trout on a little tray, and we're just going to set it in there. There we go. So we're going to smoke it until that's done, and then that should be done in way earlier than that. So anyway, I will catch you guys when the trout is done smoking. Alright guys, about, how long has it been? It's been about 3 hours since we put the trout on. We got the spinal cord and the ribs all separated. And everybody's taking a bite. I'm just going to take a little bite. Show you guys what it tastes like. I'll grab a piece that doesn't have a lot of bones in it. Look at that. Take a bite. Yeah, got a nice smoky flavor. Honestly guys, I'll take bass over trout any day. I just like bass better because it's got a nice flaky buttery taste. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is my first little catch and cook. This wasn't a giant trout by any means, but thank you guys so much for watching. Try another bite.